All right, lovely people. Let's talk about something really important, healthy eating. It's not about boring food or missing out on tasty grub, not at all. It's about feeling fantastic, having loads of energy, and giving your body the proper good stuff it needs. When you eat well, you feel well. Simple as that, really. Think vibrant colors on your plate, fresh ingredients, and meals that make you smile. This plan is all about making healthy eating easy and delicious. We're going to use whole foods, things that come straight from nature, and keep away from those pesky processed bits. You'll be amazed at how good you can feel. Trust me, it's a game changer. So day one, let's kick things off with a brilliant breakfast, a Greek yogurt smoothie. This is super quick, perfect for busy mornings. Just grab some lovely Greek yogurt, a handful of your favorite berries, maybe some strawberries or blueberries, and perhaps a banana for extra creaminess. Whiz it all up in a blender and boom, breakfast is served. This smoothie is packed with protein, which keeps you full and satisfied. It's also full of vitamins from the fruit, giving you a fantastic energy boost to start your day right. It's a proper good way to get going. For your morning snack, we're keeping it simple but super effective. A handful of almonds and a crisp apple. Almonds are little powerhouses full of healthy fats, fiber and protein. They'll keep those hunger pangs at bay until lunchtime. And an apple? Well, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? It's crunchy, juicy, and gives you a nice, natural sugar hit. This combo is brilliant for staving off cravings for sugary snacks. It's easy to pack, easy to eat, and gives you that sustained energy. Proper job. Lunch on day one is a gorgeous grilled chicken quinoa bowl. Get a lovely chicken breast, grill it until it's nice and tender, then slice it up. Cook up some quinoa. It's a fantastic grain, full of protein and fiber. Then, load up your bowl with colorful veggies. Think chopped peppers, cucumbers, and a bit of spinach. A little squeeze of lemon juice and a drizzle of olive oil for dressing, and you've got a stunning lunch. It's balanced, it's tasty, and it will keep you powered through the afternoon. For your afternoon snack, how about some lovely cottage cheese with fresh strawberries? It's creamy, sweet, and packed with protein. Then for dinner, we've got beautiful baked trout with roasted cauliflower and some hearty farro. Fish is brain food, full of omega-3s, and roasting cauliflower makes it super tasty. Farro is another great whole grain. What a delicious end to the day. Right then, day two. Let's keep this healthy momentum going strong, shall we? For breakfast today, we're having overnight oats. This is a lifesaver for busy bees because you make it the night before. Just get a jar, pop in some rolled oats, your favorite milk, dairy or plant-based, whatever you fancy, a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra goodness, and maybe some berries or a dollop of yogurt. Give it a stir, pop it in the fridge, and in the morning, it's ready. It's creamy, it's filling, and it's packed with fiber to keep your digestion happy. A brilliant no-fuss start to your day, that's what it is. Your morning snack for day two is a classic combo, a boiled egg and some juicy cherry tomatoes. A boiled egg is a little pocket rocket of protein. It's super satisfying and will keep you going. Cherry tomatoes add a burst of freshness and some lovely vitamins. This snack is easy to prepare ahead of time. Boil a few eggs at the start of the week and you're sorted. It's simple, it's nutritious, and it's just what you need to bridge that gap between breakfast and lunch without reaching for something naughty. It's all about smart choices that taste good too, yeah? Lunch on day two is a vibrant roasted vegetable wrap. Grab some lovely veggies. Think bell peppers, courgettes, red onions, maybe some mushrooms. Chop them up, toss them with a bit of olive oil and herbs, and roast them until they're tender and a little bit caramelized. Then get a whole wheat tortilla, spread a bit of hummus on it if you like, pile on those gorgeous roasted veggies and wrap it up. This is a fantastic way to get a load of different vegetables into your meal. It's full of flavor, fiber, and all sorts of vitamins. It's a really satisfying and colorful lunch that's easy to pack too. For your afternoon pick-me-up, we're having a handful of mixed seeds. Pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, whatever you've got. They are tiny but mighty, packed with healthy fats, protein, and minerals like magnesium. They give you a nice bit of crunch and will keep your energy levels steady. Then for dinner, get ready for a flavor explosion chicken tikka masala with fluffy brown rice and a side of spinach. You can make a healthier version of tikka masala using yogurt instead of cream and lots of lovely spices. Brown rice adds fiber and spinach is full of iron. It's a comforting, delicious and surprisingly healthy meal. Now, moving on to day three. For breakfast, we're having whole grain toast topped with almond butter and slices of banana. This is a classic for a reason. Whole grain toast gives you sustained energy, almond butter provides protein and healthy fats, and banana adds natural sweetness and potassium. It's quick, it's easy, and it tastes absolutely brilliant. A proper good start. Continuing with day 3, after that lovely almond butter toast, your morning snack is crisp bell pepper strips with a good dollop of hummus. Bell peppers, especially the red, yellow and orange ones, are bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants. They're crunchy and naturally sweet. Hummus made from chickpeas is a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. This combination is super refreshing, satisfying and full of goodness. It's a great way to get some raw veggies in, and it's so easy to prep. Just chop your peppers, grab your hummus and you're good to go. Keeps things light and healthy before lunch. Lunch on day 3 is a clever and delicious tuna stuffed avocado. Avocados are brilliant, full of healthy monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. Instead of mayonnaise with your tuna, mix it with a bit of Greek yogurt, some lemon juice and perhaps some chopped celery or red onion for crunch. Halve an avocado, remove the stone and pile that tasty tuna salad right into the hollow. It's creamy, it's flavorful and it's packed with protein and good fats. This will keep you feeling full and satisfied all afternoon. It's a really elegant but simple lunch, isn't it? For your afternoon snack on day 3, we're having some Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of sunflower seeds. Greek yogurt, as you know, is a protein powerhouse. It's creamy and tangy. Adding sunflower seeds gives you a lovely bit of crunch and a boost of vitamin E and healthy fats. It's a simple snack but really effective at keeping those energy levels up and stopping you from reaching for sugary treats. Dinner on day 3 is a comforting baked eggplant parmesan served with a fresh side salad. We'll make a lighter version by baking the eggplant slices instead of frying them, using part-skim mozzarella and a lovely homemade tomato sauce. It's still cheesy and delicious, but much healthier. The salad adds freshness and extra vitamins. A truly satisfying meal. Now let's charge into day 4. Breakfast is protein pancakes served with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a handful of fresh berries. You can make protein pancakes easily using oats, eggs, and maybe a scoop of protein powder if you like, or even just cottage cheese whizzed into the batter. They're fluffy, they're filling, and they taste like a proper treat. The Greek yogurt adds more protein and creaminess, and the berries give you that lovely sweetness and vitamin boost. What a way to start the day, eh? Your morning snack is simple and refreshing. Some lovely orange slices. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, great for your immune system, and they're juicy and hydrating. A perfect little burst of sunshine. For lunch on day 4, we're having a hearty chickpea and spinach curry with brown rice. This is a fantastic vegetarian option, full of plant-based protein from the chickpeas and iron from the spinach. A mild, fragrant curry sauce made with coconut milk and spices makes it super delicious. Served with brown rice, it's a complete and balanced meal that will keep you going. All right, for your afternoon snack on day 4, we're having some edamame. These are young soybeans and you can get them fresh or frozen. Just steam or boil them and sprinkle with a tiny bit of sea salt if you like. They're fun to eat and they're a brilliant source of plant-based protein and fiber. Edamame is also packed with vitamins and minerals. It's a really satisfying, healthy snack that feels a bit different. Dinner on day 4 is a delicious grilled turkey burger, served with roasted zucchini and some lovely sweet potato wedges. Turkey is a leaner alternative to beef, still packed with protein. Grill the burger, serve it in a whole wheat bun or even lettuce wraps and load it with salad. Roasted zucchini is tender and tasty, and sweet potato wedges, baked not fried, are a fantastic source of complex carbs and vitamins. A proper, satisfying, healthy burger night. Day 5, our final day. Let's make it a good one. Breakfast is scrambled tofu with colorful vegetables served on whole grain toast. Tofu is a brilliant plant-based protein, and when you crumble and scramble it with spices like turmeric for color and anti-inflammatory goodness, black pepper, and maybe some nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, it's amazing. Add in some chopped spinach, peppers or mushrooms. It's a hearty, savory breakfast that's super versatile. Your morning snack is a juicy kiwi fruit and a few almonds. Kiwi is another vitamin C superstar, and it's got a lovely tangy flavor. Almonds, as we know, provide that crucial protein and healthy fat, a simple, energizing combo. Lunch on day 5 is a light yet satisfying shrimp and avocado salad. Cooked shrimp are a great source of lean protein. Combine them with creamy avocado slices, some mixed greens, cherry tomatoes and cucumber. A simple lemon vinaigrette dressing will bring it all together beautifully. This salad is refreshing, full of good fats, protein and vitamins. It's a lovely light lunch to keep you feeling good. For your afternoon snack, we have another simple winner, a boiled egg and some cucumber slices. Protein from the egg and refreshing hydration from the cucumber. Perfect for that late afternoon moment. And for our final dinner of the week, a wholesome chicken and vegetable soup with a slice of whole grain bread. Think tender chicken pieces, lots of lovely chunky vegetables like carrots, celery and leeks, all in a flavorful broth. It's comforting, it's nourishing, and it's a fantastic way to get lots of nutrients in one bowl. The whole grain bread is perfect for dipping. So there you have it, folks. A full 5-day healthy meal plan that's packed with flavor, goodness, and variety. Sticking to a plan like this has so many benefits. You'll likely feel more energized, your digestion might improve, and you'll be fueling your body with all the right stuff. It's not about being perfect, it's about making good choices most of the time. These meals are designed to be easy to make, using ingredients that are easy to find and won't break the bank. Give it a go. You might just surprise yourself with how much you enjoy eating healthily. You've got this, and your body will thank you for it. Lovely jubbly.